Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to find support and resistance levels on Tradingview using both manual tools and automatic indicators. This way, you can choose what fits your trading style best. Support and resistance are important concepts in trading because they help us see where price is likely to react. Let's begin with the manual method. First, open any chart on TradingView and select a clear time frame, such as the 15-minute, 1-hour, or daily chart. On the left-hand toolbar, click on the horizontal line tool. Now, look for areas where price has bounced or been rejected more than once. These areas often act as support or resistance. Click once to place a horizontal line at those levels. If prices bounce upward from that level several times, that is likely support. If price is rejected downward several times, that is likely resistance. You can double-click the line to change its color, thickness, or style. This makes your levels easier to see. The manual method is useful because it helps us learn to read market structure. Now, let's look at the automatic way. Click on Indicators at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Support Resistance. TradingView has built-in indicators that automatically plot support and resistance levels using historical price action. Click once to add it to your chart. Once added, these levels will update automatically as price moves. This is helpful if we want quick reference points without drawing everything ourselves. Open the indicator settings to adjust sensitivity, threshold sensitivity, number of levels, or how far back it looks. Another helpful approach is using previous highs and lows. Zoom out on your chart. Find the previous day high and low and the previous week high and low. These often act as strong support and resistance levels, especially for intraday trading. Here are a few important tips. Support and resistance are zones, not exact lines. Price may move slightly above or below before reacting, and that's normal. Try not to clutter your chart with too many levels. Focus on the most obvious and respected ones. Also, always combine support and resistance with other tools like trend direction, volume, or momentum for better confirmation. Common mistakes to avoid: drawing levels on every candle, ignoring higher time frames, or thinking support and resistance always mean price will reverse. Used correctly, support and resistance help us plan better entries, exits, and risk management. And that's how we find support and resistance levels on TradingView, both manually and automatically. This will help you, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly TradingView guides, and we'll see you in the next one.